Io e fitu minuti wate ele tu la e lima Cheerio baby mali UB40 pe na taua I la matanga le tātou por kalame mau le tātou sota inga with the one and only there is no other le tofaya siata Dr Tua all the way from Samoa tuning in live this afternoon to catch up with us on the show. Of course, everyone's talking about a UB40 happening in Samoa this Saturday. It's going off, and we're very honored to have the MC and host of the UB40 concert happening this Saturday. Yeah, the one and only Dr Tua. Welcome to the show. So, yeah, tono ole ulu taimile o tatu mafuta ilunga tatu por kalame. Yeah, fio maya. Leo mai alo tō whaen vai malai, ia, le tātou por kalame ni vaenga o le afiafi. Malo soifu manuia.
Ia, malo le soifu maua, malo foi le soifu langi mama, malo soifu langi matafi. Ia, I lau sunga le tai o le tātou por kalame vai ane. Ia, lau fionga abutangi, ia, po lau fionga le sā. Ia, malo le soifu manuia, malo foi le tawatai, malo le sai, te amunga luenga ne yaso. Ia, ko nea no e fatalofa ma fafelo tuai ia I le au palongolongo umalava po paanga le tātou po kalame ia o lo au mau foi atunu malosio New Zealand ia malo le soifua malo foi le folau
ia tātou tau fa malo ni vaenga o le fiafi ia malo foi ia te ole uso va ne o ia mo malo foi le tauatai ia malo foi le onsai ia ile ngata le neva yaso ia au le nei masina atoa. It's been quite a month le tātou tau mai le whai unga Ianuari ia and the big concert happening this Saturday. Let's get straight into it. Also, o laso sila, o laso vainga I malu le tātou tunu. A missile never yaso. We've been seeing online a lot of things happening. The buzz. What's the mood like around town in preparations mo le tātou konseti le stona ini?
Thank you for the question. As you know, we know for Samoa, here at the motherland, when we are preparing for big things like this, there's a whole lot of noise. It has been like that for the last 3 weeks or so, but especially for this week, UB40, there's a whole lot of noise around it. So I'm excited to see what Saturday's going to look like. So yeah.
Malofa fetai. Yeah, there's been a lot of buzz online. We're seeing a lot of the content from the building of the stage and the lights coming up, moving into Apia Park. From what you tell us what the behind the scenes is like. Obviously, everyone's like, okay, we're going to turn up to the concert and we're going to, do the show. But tell your moving pieces behind the scenes. Le si le fia le tātua tunuu ia le whaingata, ia male the technicalities behind it. Me whaino e whaaso wa pe o lo sunga le tele na whea ngai, you're behind the scenes right now in the thick of it all.
Yeah.
Tell us a bit about that from Mole Tua.
Yeah, thank you. And that's the question that no one asks. Normally, what we see on the day, it's it's nice and beautiful. But as you know, also, preparation and everything that goes into getting a show ready like this, especially this sort of show, this quality. It's a massive, a whole lot of work. Yeah, the boys from Natives. Yes. Oh, and by the way, also, the whole show everything is produced here in Samoa. Nothing's from overseas.
Yeah,
like the stage, the lights, the promotions, the sounds, the securities, everything is from Samoa. So this one, I'm so proud. Like how far we've come. As when it comes to the music side of things, artists like UB40, they have requirements, as you know.
So
their writers, the specs that they need, the specific brand that they ask for, we got them. And shout out to Urban Sound because this is the first time, and this Samoa is the only island that has this sound throughout the whole South. So the boys started moving their stuff about 2 weeks ago. Yeah, 2 weeks ago. And then the stage, the sound. Now this week, today was the branding, the security, KL securities jumped in and doing all the barricades and all the stuff that they need to do. The branding with Manuel, native. Oh man, it's overwhelming.
Yeah,
it's overwhelming to see the lot of work that goes on. You know, mangaya yo le ngalulu fa tasio company lumaya. Wale matango fiina o le whamoile o lo manei.
Mani.
So I can't wait also.
That's awesome. Yeah, I think o se fifianga foi le whaafonga o le tātou tunuu foi le nei mo tātou ia i tomalele mai atunu I whafo I le whalongolonga atu. Le infrastructure le tātou I Samoa, o le wawhai uma tātou, o pisinisi, o tama whanau, tamale o le tātou atunu. Ne ono tu whatu siavaenga uma lava o le tātou konseti. For your role, mo lo oianga luenga o oi o le MC, o le po oi o lo whafoina, le polka lame, o le po atoa. Ole ase, again, like the background stuff, people see it and think, oh man, easy peasy. But there's a lot of work and a lot of pressure. How are you feeling leading up to the show? Do you still get nervous, coming up to these kinds of shows? Bolemel, you're kind of like got it under the belt and just gonna ride the flow. How are you feeling as the MC for the evening?
My preparation. It's always, the nerves are always there, no matter what, and no matter how long I've been doing this for. It's the nerves are starting to kick in now, bro. So I can't wait, man.
Beautiful, man. I know you'll do well, and we've got quite a lineup of artists for the show, as well as just people taking part. Can you give us a bit of a breakdown? What can we expect from the show this Saturday? O te loa, e nisi o lato lea o whai malanga atu le so matayao. E atuli atu I le tato konseti le stona. O lea se vainga I le au whawhiwhia mo le stona.
O le memo mua, e le posta kanga whai whapea, the show has been prospered. Yeah, ngai ira kaka New Zealand text my out. Please, can you confirm on the show because we're leaving New Zealand soon. Kaku say longa maliu a whai maliu ali kepo yang ko longa la yang whape. A whai o lai fu ali kepo. The show will go on no matter what. Te kafe vai paka e whai kako show. Doesn't matter, Yeah, ma winga ka se o le oso vale so le. Yeah, but it's all good. Our tato artists here perform so we have our own Samoan artists. Yeah, pero sunga ya Richard Parker. Sunga ya Richard Parker. Yeah, ole uso ya Mr. T. Yeah, ole uso ya SJ DeMarco. Yeah, ole uso ya Mauto Tassi. Yeah, now Samoa la ia, yeah, so mai le awari o Kenyon Brown o Donald Lewis. Yeah, male ila maltato, ia male uso ya Waino. Male uso ya Waino. Yeah, la maltato au Siva. Yeah, de choi fala wilo. Yeah, Dr Tua Samoa ia pa pe poi. Yeah, le au Siva lo tau tuaina Samoa tau Siva au mai.
Mali.
Ya, fai lato papipiang, fai papipiang al umanga. So papipia ia al umanga I setia Waino. So nice. Really looking forward to it. Also, like every single artist, it's gonna be fire. So I hate to be you right now, my brother. Sorry to say, but you missed out also.
I know. Koke lo for ya.
Not rubbing it in. I'm not rubbing it in. So
yeah, ole I love the time koke ke yaro ko. Let's go.
Ya fai po le ase kala o le fa kari aku ka.
Nah, that's
Ta
awesome.
penanga uma uso o se lau pasenge.
That's a big card, and really looking forward to seeing the content and some of the stories from the show. My last question, or my second to last question, I don't want to hold you for too long, or but for everyone who is coming to the concert this weekend, wa Ianuari me o tau concerti or festivals, what are some of the do's and don'ts? Mo la toia le au matamata le au mai
Manaya,
moa a wai e me te tauna
manaya
fai
fasili.
e me le tauna fai o le aso oi fautuanga, the do's and don'ts for those who are getting ready to come to UB40 this Saturday.
Ia tātou ia malanga mai fafo. Ele o se whaatonu, ele mawhaino o whaatonu o lo tō pa ia mawalunga o tō mamanu. O le whamanatu lava. Se lava, me se tātou ia fia i concerts, overseas or or whatever concerts that we do in New Zealand and Australia. Se Australia, New Zealand.
Yeah.
Se Samoa. Le wingo lau tala, ia. Mo le mea leo o le tiusu, ma le mea le whaumu, Ia sola, o Samoa, se ronga o kanka whaumu, kanka i whawhitianga lai whai. Ai o le lau wa vale o le ngangana whape ngape e kong sekinga masinka kuwhai ngā ia o le ngangana ia o whesopoa i solo tala. O i neila Samoa, le ai. Ma whaina e pese, ma whaina ma whaina ai o lo o le whaaloalo ma le awa whatawhata wha mole mole. Wha mole mole wha manatu watu. Le awole whaangalo ia te oe le tātou tū ma le angari whanua o le whaaloalo. Lo fai lesi, make sure that, that everyone's beside you is not affected by what you're doing and your actions. O le safety male memo mua wha mole mole. Ia me whaia masani wai le mengo whaia a tango fi vai ngare tau ai atula lava ia te au. Ia pafo. Au neira sa mo i do se wharaka mea ka ika wha mole mole. Keep you close to yourselves. I'm good with my own clothes. I would tell you to lunga wha mole mole. Mea ngai whai oi pafo pa sang whaia maku ki Samoa. Wha mole mole pa mai. It's a party we need to enjoy, but enjoy accordingly to your surroundings. Mole. E o foi tupulanga nei Samoa, la wa mio, lo mingau, o lo filongia, le sa, tumu tangata matua, le tato fa moe. Tumu tangata matua. Ia fa mole tupulanga. Ia ave eva malalo eva male mingau. So telefoi tangata o pasifika ia fa tasi mai. Wharia tuai tani tonga nei, wharia tuai la tātua ngai panua. O ka kou tangata whaaralo we're full of respect and humanity and show our hospitality.
That's the one.
Yeah.
Malo whawhetai mo whasoa asiata. Te tono la matungo fiel tātou whamoe nā le aso tō nai, ia. Talo ia whatasi le tua mtapenanga uma, ia sao mauli, everyone's safe. Ia maise le ngā luenga tele lo whiangai mo oele MC, ia lua ia malesunga ia sefa, ia manisi o nei o tātou uso lo ngā lulue. Before we go, ia seata tuatu leva noa, any shout-outs, any alofa-angas that you want to make, ia, I nisi o lo whafonga, maise ia la tō lo tō mafuta I nai Samoa, ia leva noa le tō I nātu, ia I lau tō whasiata.
Ia, whatai lava. Ia whatai mo lewa noa uso, ia mo le tō mātua alofa-anga I ainga ma lava I nai New Zealand, ia Aotearoa New Zealand, ka pe whai ainga lo Australia lo tapoi mai, mātou Pawar mātou taro wha mole, awar nei ngaro mātou I o tautou, ia o tau taro sanga. Ia ele I whatau noina lava le wha moe ai, whatau lau mia lava le o tau tapua I ma le taro sanga. Ia e tau I manu le tātou wha moe. Ia lo whaanga nei o uso I nei Samoa o lo ngā whatau le maina ma le whatinoina le wha moe behind the scenes. Ia shout out to HEC 43. Yeah, na filming lau Pepe Christian. ia whapai le team on agency for 3. Ia, ai mai se ia o uso nei nei local boys. Ia, po le uso ia Fritz, ia o lo vaia le tato KL Security. Ia le uso ia Matt, ia Matthew, ia o lo vaia le tato Manuel. Ia o le uso ia J. Henry. Ia o nai uso ia o lo vaia le native. Foi le uso ia Mailo Henry, ia o lo tato Urban Sound, ia o lo whaanga moli bōma moli o na uso ia o lo ngalu lue ki munga, kwa ki munga Sāmoa le aso ngei, ai vai ke le whiwa susua mai tai au, ia o lo ka ai ma le alofa, ia o le nau unga lava ina ia mātau o fia le tato aso manuia lau tapua inga Sāmoa, o fia lava o mau mai ai nei whasalaunga. Ya manuia lau tapo inga, le mo foi nisi whapoponga pia uma le tātou whamoimoe, le tātou talo, ia tau I manunu le whamoimoe o le alo tuaisi o tātou tunu a wāre konseti lea, ia ma le UB40, ia malanga whapitoa mai ai, ia le sunga ia Ali Campbell, ia mo le taimi mo moi lau whanua Sāmoa, mori ato mātolo whaanga ia to ele uso, tātou talo, ia sau la so nai tātou fia o nai to le sa na ngai tele mana o to umi nai to sau na wa ese tu langa na wa ia no te lo atu e propose. Congratulations by the way my brother. Ya lo fetele lava mo ole uso lo fatu mo ainga uma. Yeah, this is your boy Dr Tua sending you love, everything. Take care and be safe.
That's the one, ladies and gentlemen. You've heard it from the man himself, Dr. Tua, MC for our UB40 concert happening this Saturday, Apia Park in Samoa. If you are heading over, travel safe. We look forward to seeing all the updates from this weekend. Alofa atu mo oia siata, ta tōtoi whenua I se temi o luma. Alofa atu. There's many rivers to cross. Whaasifua siata. UB40. Luso 5 minutes te ele tu la e lima here on the 685 show. Let's go.